Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here to install and review the Hybrid Glass Screen Protector by Mous for iPhone 11. So as the name would suggest, this is made from a combination of glass and high-impact plastics, and it's supposed to give you best of both worlds protection with the feel of glass and the protection of a high-impact polymer. I was really impressed with this product for iPhone XR. Let's get this installed on my iPhone 11 and check it out. Looking at the contents of the box, we have the applicator tool, we have a wet wipe to clean your screen, we have a microfiber cloth to dry it off with, we have a dust removal sticker in order to get rid of any remaining dust, and we have a squeegee card for any bubble removal that is necessary. But perhaps most importantly, we have the screen protector itself, and we have not one but two screen protectors included, which I think is a very nice touch on the part of Mous. As I'm sure you're aware, working in a clean and dust-free environment is crucial for a successful screen protector install. You're going to want to remove any existing case and screen protector you have on your phone, and then wipe it with the included wet wipe, dry it with the included microfiber cloth, and then use the included dust removal sticker in order to remove any remaining bits of dust. Once your phone is clean, take the applicator and, being sure to use the lightning plug side of it, carefully place it inside your lightning port. It should slide in so it's flush with the phone. Next, what you want to do is remove the cap on the applicator, and then take one of your included screen protectors, making sure that the tab marked 4 is facing upwards. Place it into the applicator. You've got to line up the holes, and then take your cap and put it back on top. Next, you might want to double check and make sure that no additional dust has fallen down on your screen during this process. If it has, remove it with the included dust removal sticker. The next and probably most crucial part of this entire process is to locate the tab marked 3 here on the inside of the screen protector as it's facing your phone. You're going to peel this off to expose the sticky side of the screen protector, and then carefully lay it down on your phone, making sure that everything stays nicely aligned. It's possible to get this very slightly misaligned. This happened when I installed this on the iPhone XR, so hopefully this is not going to happen to me on the iPhone 11. Do make sure everything looks straight before finally letting it adhere to the phone. Next, you can use your squeegee card wrapped in your lovely Mous microfiber cloth to remove any remaining bubbles. And lastly, you want to remove tab 4 and the applicator itself. As far as the installation experience is concerned, I think everything went well overall. We've got some good installation tools included in the package. I think that the applicator is helpful overall, particularly in the fact that it allows you to get a reasonably good alignment of the screen protector on your phone. It does not guarantee a perfect alignment. It's possible to still get slightly misaligned, but it's not going to allow you to get very misaligned, so I think that that's definitely helpful. However, I do think that it has the possibility of introducing dust onto your newly cleaned phone screen, so be aware of that. When you are peeling away this inner plastic layer, I think it's possible for it to flick dust down onto your newly cleaned phone screen, and so then when you lay the screen protector down on top, the dust will become trapped as a part of the installation. This happened to me during the installation, but I was fortunately able to remove the dust, so ended up with a good result overall, but still something to be cautious about when you are using this applicator. Looking at the results of the install, you got to be impressed with how beautiful this looks. This is just vanishingly thin on here. It's definitely thinner than any glass screen protector that I have seen, including the fancy aluminosilicate glass that you have on the OtterBox Amplify that I just took off. Of course, this is not a full glass screen protector. This is a hybrid glass screen protector, and that's how it can be so thin. It's going to give you a lot more protection than a glass screen protector, however. Note that the area for the notch here is covered rather than exposed. Some screen protectors have a cutout for the notch. This one does not. And in terms of our alignment, you can see that I'm almost perfect here, but not quite. I'm not quite spot on. This is just a little bit off to the side. But other than that, I think everything really looks good. Fit-wise, this is clearly a case-compatible screen protector. We've got a perimeter of exposed space around the edges, which is going to allow this to fit with, I would say, most cases. Maybe not all cases, but particularly given how thin this is, I really don't see any issues with case compatibility with this screen protector. For all of you Mous fans out there, let me show you how this looks on the Limitless 3.0 in the Aramid fiber version. Again, we do still have a significant amount of space here that is not covered. So edge to edge people might be a little concerned about this. But other than that, I think we have really quite a good fit with this. And again, such a beautiful case. And with the Mous contour case, again, same basic fit. As far as our user experience is concerned, I think everything is absolutely great with this screen protector. We've got a wonderful feel underneath the fingertips. The oleophobic coating is good. It's not quite as good as a high-quality tempered glass screen protector, but it's very good. Definitely better than a regular plastic screen protector. And this also has a much smoother feel underneath the fingertips than a typical plastic screen protector. It feels very much like a glass screen protector. Very responsive. There's no issue with typing or texting or swiping or haptic touch or any of that. It's really just a great screen protector. One thing that I will mention as far as user experience is that the edges here are a bit rough underneath the fingertips. They're not really sharp, but they're just very slightly rough. It's noticeable if you are used to the rounded edges that you typically get with a glass screen protector, or at least a high quality glass one. This definitely has a different feel to it. Maybe they're not able to make them rounded because this is so thin. Really don't know. But that is definitely a difference between this and a high quality tempered glass screen protector. But overall, really just a lovely screen protector. Absolutely no issues there. So overall, I think that the hybrid glass is going to be a good choice for you if your number one priority is impact protection and look and feel being important but secondary. This screen protector has excellent optical clarity and feels almost as good as glass, but not quite. It's also going to show fingerprints a little easier and will probably have a bit less scratch resistance than a good quality tempered glass screen protector. But if you want a screen protector that's going to provide superior impact resistance, you should definitely consider the Mous hybrid glass. Again, we've been looking at the Mous Hybrid Glass Screen Protector for iPhone 11. This product is available directly from Mous as well as from other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $29.99 for a 2-pack of screen protectors. Many thanks to the kind folks at Mous for sending me out these samples to review. I will put links below with more information about this product as well as a 15% off promo code that is specific for viewers of this channel, so definitely check that out if you're interested, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to address them. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, because I have lots more case, screen protector, and other accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and this is the Mous Hybrid Glass Screen Protector for iPhone 11. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.